Draw a lollipop. Add the candy swirl. Sweet lollipop.
Draw a chair. Add legs and back. Color the chair.
Draw a table. Add the table legs. Color the table.
Draw a clock. Add the hands and numbers. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Draw a smiley face. Add happy eyes and a smile. Happy smiley face.
Draw a cup. Add the handle. Color the cup blue.
Draw an apple. Add a leaf. Yummy apple.
Draw a book. Add the pages. Color the book.
Draw a house. Add roof and door. Happy home. Draw the sun. Add bright rays. Sunny day. Draw a cone. Add scoops. Yummy ice cream.
Draw umbrella. Add handle. Rainy fun.
Draw an egg. Crack it. Surprise!
Draw a pencil. Add tip. Ready to draw. Draw a box. Add lid. School box. Draw a bus. Add windows. Go bus!
Draw a rainbow. Add colorful rainbow lines. Wow, beautiful rainbow. Draw an ice cream. Add a sweet scoop. Yummy ice cream. Draw a pencil box. Add the zipper. Color the pencil box. Draw a flower. Add pretty petals. Color the flower. Draw a balloon. Add the string. Up, up, balloon.